Amos' words cut deep to those who enjoy comfort while ignoring the brokenness around them. This is not just about luxury, it's about apathy. We live in a world of celebrity lifestyles where extravagance is applauded while poverty stares us in the face. We say we have arrived, even as children go to sleep hungry and workers are fired. The rich man was not condemned for hurting Lazarus, but for not noticing him. Indifference was his downfall. Saint Paul urges us to live differently, to pursue righteousness, godliness, faith, love, steadfastness, gentleness. Saint Paul urges us to live differently, to pursue righteousness, godliness, faith, love, steadfastness, gentleness. The lay apostolate is our daily mission to take Christ into boardrooms and bylanes, to challenge entrenched injustice, speak up when it is easier to stay silent, and serve where others will not. A just church must also create a just society. Can we not aim for compassionate capitalism, where profit is not pursued at the cost of dignity, and where every worker earns not just a minimum wage but a living? We do not need a pulpit to preach. A just life is already a sermon. The church becomes credible when her lay people live compassion with courage.